The Ellipal Wallet is one of the most secure cold storage solutions for cryptocurrency. Designed as an air-gapped device, it operates completely offline, which means it never connects to the internet, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. This significantly reduces the risk of hacks, phishing attacks, and malware infections, making it ideal for long-term storage of your digital assets. Setting up the Ellipal Wallet is straightforward. Start by unboxing the device and ensuring it is intact. Power it on, and follow the on-screen instructions to generate a new wallet. It will create a 12-word or 24-word recovery phrase, which must be stored securely offline. Never save it digitally, as that would compromise the security of your funds. Funding the Ellipal Wallet is simple and secure. You can transfer cryptocurrencies from exchanges or other wallets by scanning the QR code displayed on the device. This method eliminates the need to connect via USB or other online channels, keeping your private keys completely isolated. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many ERC20 tokens, allowing users to manage multiple assets in one device. Security features include tamper-proof hardware, encryption, and a metal recovery phrase backup option. The wallet automatically detects if it has been physically tampered with and locks itself. In case the device is lost or damaged, the recovery phrase allows you to restore access to your funds on a new device. Managing the wallet is intuitive through the Ellipal mobile app, which only communicates via QR codes. This ensures transactions remain secure while still offering convenience for tracking balances, sending, and receiving funds. The initial investment in the Ellipal wallet ranges around $169, offering peace of mind for serious crypto holders. With offline cold storage, robust encryption, and a user-friendly interface, the Ellipal wallet provides one of the safest options for storing digital assets in today's market.